A simple potato fry. For me, this is home food, made with love and better than any restaurant food. Hardly any spices, just the fresh aromas of coriander leaves and green chillies and sauteed in ghee till it forms that nice brown crust. Let's make this together. Set a pan on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. Potatoes sauteed in ghee is so much better than potatoes sauteed in oil. Next, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half a teaspoon of Carrom seeds or Ajwain, and let the seeds splutter. Next, add in 4 to 5 boiled potatoes that are cut in small cubes and add salt to taste. When you boil the potatoes, make sure to add some salt to the water. That'll make the potatoes a lot more flavorful. Next, sprinkle half a teaspoon of powdered black pepper. Now the most important part. Stir fry the potatoes till they form a nice brown crust. Browner the potatoes, more flavorful they're going to be. That looks good. Now I'm going to move the potatoes to a side and add around half a teaspoon of oil. To this, I'm going to add chopped green chillies, as many as you like. Give the green chillies a quick stir. If we would have added the green chillies right in the beginning of the recipe, we would have lost that fresh aroma that we'll get by doing this. Mix that in well with all the potato pieces. And the next fresh aroma coming up is of lots and lots of coriander leaves. And that's all that's required to make this simple yet delicious and fragrant potato fry. For me, this is it. No need of spices, onion, ginger, garlic, nothing. Try it, my friends, and you see what I mean. You can pair this with a simple moong dal if you wish. Check out the recipe I posted some time ago. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So that's all for today, my friends. Do subscribe to my channel and let's make magic in the kitchen together. I love interacting with you all, and I'm going to surely post recipes that you like. Don't forget to press that notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I'm going to be waiting to say hello. For written recipes, visit my blog. All the links are in the description. All right, my friends, see you next week. Bye-bye.